Keeping your car's tires properly inflated can feel like a chore. But ignoring that TPMS light on UK roads could now earn you a penalty charge notice. Since 2015, a malfunctioning TPMS isn't just a warning, it's a major MOT fault. And with this system mandatory on new cars since 2012, this affects millions of UK drivers. So, can simple screw-on caps keep you legal? We'll cover the benefits, the hidden risks, and the final verdict. So, what are these monitoring caps, and how do they give you a real-time pressure check? They are small devices that replace your standard valve caps, each with a built-in sensor that continuously tracks air pressure. There are two main types. The first is electronic, sending a signal to a receiver when pressure drops, which then triggers your car's TPMS light. The second type is even simpler. It's a mechanical visual indicator. These use a color-coded system. Green means pressure is fine, yellow signals it's low, and red is a definite warning. This constant monitoring is for more than just passing an MOT. But how does it save you real money at the pump? The science is based on rolling resistance. An underinflated tire flattens at the bottom, increasing its contact with the road. This added friction makes your engine work harder just to move forward, and that extra work directly burns more fuel. Maintaining correct tire pressure can significantly improve your fuel efficiency, adding up to real savings over a year of driving. It also saves money on the tires themselves. Correct pressure promotes even tread wear across the surface, extending their lifespan. Beyond savings, there's a safety element. Proper inflation is vital for optimal grip and stability, particularly in wet conditions. The benefits are clear, but are they genuinely easy for the average driver? Let's check the reality of installation and daily use. Installation is often as simple as it sounds. You just remove your old dust caps and screw the new monitoring caps on. A great feature on some models is pass-through technology, letting you inflate tires without ever removing the sensor cap. This means you can check all 4 tires with a quick walk around your car. No kneeling down, no fiddly pressure gauges needed. For drivers of older cars without built-in TPMS, or anyone wanting a simpler method, the convenience is undeniable. It all sounds perfect, but are there hidden risks the manufacturers don't always advertise? Could these caps create new problems? Potential issue. 1. Weight. While light, these caps add about 9 grams to your valve stem. At high speeds, this small weight could affect your wheel balance, leading to vibrations you feel through the steering. Potential issue 2. Seizing. There's a risk of corrosion causing the metal cap to fuse to the valve stem, making it hard to remove. But the biggest hidden risk is how some work. To get a constant reading, some designs hold the tire's Schrader valve slightly open. This means the only thing holding air in is the tiny seal inside the cap itself. If that fails, you have a direct, constant air leak. Now let's connect this back. Remember that MOT major fault for an illuminated TPMS light we mentioned at the start? The irony is, a cheap cap with a failing seal could cause a slow leak, triggering the very TPMS warning you wanted to avoid. So a device bought to save you fuel could lead to a dangerous situation, a new set of tires, or that failed MOT. This presents a clear dilemma for UK drivers. Are they worth the risk? And how can you choose a safe one? The answer is yes, these caps can offer a convenient PSI check, and they are especially useful for older cars without built-in systems. However, the market is flooded with options, and not all are created equal. The priority is choosing a quality product from a reputable brand. Before buying, check if the design holds the valve open. Consider plastic caps to avoid seizing, and ask your garage to check the balance. Ultimately, they are a tool. Used correctly, they enhance safety and save money. Have you used these? Share your experience in the comments.